Verb to be. With pronouns. We use to be to describe who we are, how we feel, and where things are. Let's break it down. The verb to be changes depending on the pronoun used. Here are examples for each pronoun. In the present tense. I am happy.
I am happy.
You are my best friend.
You are my best friend.
He is a doctor.
He is a doctor.
She is a teacher.
She is a teacher.
It is cold today.
It is cold today.
We are students.
We are students.
They are at the park.
They are at the park.
In the past tense. I was tired last night.
I was tired last night.
You were late for class.
You were late for class.
He was at the meeting.
He was at the meeting.
She was very kind.
She was very kind.
It was a great movie.
It was a great movie.
We were on vacation.
We were on vacation.
They were excited about the trip.
They were excited about the trip.
In the future tense, with will be. I will be there soon.
I will be there soon.
You will be successful.
You will be successful.
He will be a great leader.
He will be a great leader.
She will be at the party.
She will be at the party.
It will be a sunny day.
It will be a sunny day.
We will be ready on time.
We will be ready on time.
They will be here tomorrow.
They will be here tomorrow.
Now it's your turn. Complete this sentence in the comments. Learning English. Fill in the blank, she. My best friend. What's the correct form? They, at the park right now. Am. Or is. Or are. Can you make a sentence using we and happy? Write a sentence about yourself using I am. Tell me in the comments, where are you from? Example, I am from Spain. I will take a look at the answers. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English tips. Goodbye.